Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sojourner and I'm back with another video. Yeah, my hair's a mess today, looking like a hot mess because I did like a deep conditioning. That's why it's like looking like different than usual. I know you guys probably can't tell, and it's like way more like softer and like silkier. This is my OTD for today. Wearing this classic $350 sweater from Givenchy. So yeah, and then I'm wearing my $3,439 pants from Zara. Zara's an expensive brand, yeah. And then my Balenciaga's $4,003,530. And yeah, they're like really expensive, so don't mess with me. And my glasses, by the way, I've never told you guys, but they cost $6.8 billion. They're really expensive. Hey y'all, so we are still here in H&M, just shopping away. Just me, of course, buying nothing. Alright, hey y'all, I just got my eyebrows done. Oh my god. How do they look, Emily?
Good.
Thank you. I feel so different. Do you think they look thinner?
Yes. They don't look thicker, that's for sure.
Thank you. Now I can actually see.
Well done.
Look how red I look. Also, my hair a mess. My eyebrows are snatched for a real one. My sister shook that they came out good. Yo, I've been wanting these shoes for the longest time for Christmas. But they're like $99. So you know I'm not about to do that to myself. And to my non-existent money. So yeah, right now we're just finishing up shopping. Fun. And so now we're gonna go home, be real quick, and then go to the doctor's. Alright y'all, so we just made it to the doctor's. Fun. I even came prepared and brought my word search because I haven't done that in a while. Oh, look how cute that is, my life. So yeah, back at home, just put my sweats on because I cannot stand being in jeans any longer. So yeah, so the doctor told me that my eyesight didn't really get worse. It's like pretty much the same thing, but my astigmatism got worse. That's fun. We love that for her. Christmas Eve, I'm gonna go back, hopefully, fingers crossed, and get some new glasses because I tried on some new glasses and I really like some of them. I'll give a little slideshow right now of all the glasses I took. So damn, she fine or whatever. Oh, look at those. Damn, those are real good. Oof. Girl, get it, girl. Ooh, damn. Let me hit your number, girl. Ooh. Oof. Oh my god, blew my breath away, mamas. Yeah, those are the glasses I thought were like semi-decent or like decent enough. And so now I'm gonna clean and do my chores because tomorrow we're about to have a lit party at my house. Ooh, house party at my house. Psych, it's a family gathering. Fun, excited. Hey sisters, what's up? Look at my cute shoes. Shout out to Jessica. Thank you for being the best. These are so cute. So yeah, guess what? Ooh, let's tie our hair up because we're getting DIY ready. We are having an ugly sweater contest, and so now I'm determined to win, honestly. So ready to win. And I've never done an ugly sweater, so I was thinking, why not start now? This is all I have for my DIY stuff. A bunch of duct tape. I don't know where the rest. Oh, there you go. A bunch of duct tape. Bunch of acrylic paints that I'm probably not going to use. Cotton balls. And a bunch of sticks. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know, but we're going to get creative today. Okay, so this is a sweater I decided to destroy because I hate this sweater so much. I used to love it, but now I freaking hate it. Look how ugly that is. I mean, it's not ugly. It's just not my style anymore. Not my thing. So we gonna make this look freaking adorable. No, I'm kind of in the mood to listen to some royalty-free Christmas music. So let's do that. Like a little scenery of like a snowman and a little tree next to it, and then like snow falling. But I need to add something cringy about it. So I'm probably gonna add, I don't even know. Let's hope this music is copyright free. So I think I'm gonna start with the, let's start with the bottom. I have white duct tape, fun, to make the base, you know, like the snow part. Oh, and the scissors. Also, I think I found out that I have already a fan page, so you guys should totally follow that fan page if you guys find it. I forgot what it was called, but it was a fan page of me, and like they found a picture of me, and it was like really great. I really enjoyed it. Thank you to whoever made that fan page. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys for loving me entirely. I love doing arts and crafts. Arts and crafts are so much fun. Ooh, she looking good. She looking good. Yes, we wish you a merry. I used to go Christmas caroling with my after school group, and we used to stand up outside of a corner store. That was like a classic corner store, and it was just a fun time, honestly. Okay, now we got the snow down. Well, let's make the tree. Should the tree be dabbing? Oh my god, that'd be amazing. We'll have a tree dab and the other tree dab. We're gonna do like one dabbing this side and one dabbing that side, right? That would be cute. So I have green duct tape. This was when I like saved all this duct tape. I don't even know why. Wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. To you wherever you are. Tidings for the holidays and a Happy New Year. Christmas is in like 3 days. Fun. We love a little jazz. Thank all you guys who keep commenting. I don't know who it is, but whoever keeps commenting that I'm like an amazing singer, an amazing dancer, and I like a very creative person. I really appreciate you, whoever you are. And thank you guys for like 3 billion subscribers. I really appreciate it. All of the subscribers, all you 3 billion. I love you guys. Thank you guys for beating PewDiePie. I really appreciate it. Oh my god, I hate working with duct tape. We working hard here to get this bread. I remember in elementary school, they used to give us free like bags of like school supplies all the time. Like, I miss those days because I used to get all the supplies. Like, I never had to go supply shopping because they would always give us little bags, the K through 12 thing. Oh my god. Okay, so that's the tree now. Look at that. What a cute tree. Oh, I actually really like it. This could be like my little tree top, right? That'd be cute. Okay, even though it's not yellow, but whatever, it's fine. Yo ho ho, the mistletoe. Oh, boom. Did that. Oh, look at that. Now, can we draw on this? Let's see if we can. I have Sharpies. They're from the dollar store, but they work sometimes. Bam. Okay, so let's put the arms first. It doesn't even look like it's dabbing. Oh no. I think this is the best arm we've got. What if I do one dabbing and then one doing this and then saying like we slay all the way? Oh, that'd be cute. I think I'm just gonna do a full-on duct tape outfit, honestly. So that's how the arms look. That's what took me 40 years. Let's draw her now. Alright, that looks good enough, right? As a smile. A little smile right there. Now let's decorate the tree with some pretty lights. Well, I was thinking of using it as a scarf for the snowman, but I can also use it for the tree, you know? Now I'm just drawing little circles as like little chimbones. How do you say it? Like ornaments. Purple. Purple. I want to be March already, so I know what college, like it was the colleges I want, if they accepted me or not, because I already got accepted to Sacramento State. Fun, yay! But I want to see if I got into like my other dream schools. I'm like the messiest person ever when it comes to these things, because I always get my hands dirty. Like, look at that. It's only literally been like 2 minutes. Look at that. Turn it up. Yes! Sing it! Woo! Yeah! 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 ribbon. No ribbon. There she is. She's a little lopsided, but it's okay. That's the base of her. That's her big butt. Big booty, because I got a big booty. Let earth receive a king. Let it breathe. Prepare him room and heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Let heaven, heaven and heaven, heaven. Should she have a big head? Nah, she gonna have a little head. Ah! Come on, don't give up on me yet. Don't give up. Fun. Okay, now we gotta make the arms. We're gonna make the arms out of this one. I bought these all at the dollar store, by the way. Isn't that amazing? I freaking love the dollar store. If you don't like the dollar store, then you can't be in my life. Like, jingle all the way. My scissors are giving out. No. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Okay, boom! I did that. Look at that. So that's the snowman killing it, slaying, ho-ho-hoing. Now we gotta draw his face. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Fine. Should we make we're gonna make the buttons brown. A merry little Christmas now. Look at that. Did I already show you how the smile looks? Look at that. Yay. I hate the feeling of glue. You know what I didn't get? When we were little, people used to like put glue and then wait for it to dry and then peel it off. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It makes me feel weird. It makes me feel gross. Like, why would you do that to yourself? No. Aww. Okay, look at that. That's the completed Peeps. Fun. Okay, now we're gonna add the snow, like the falling snow, and that's why I brought the cotton balls so we can add it as snow. Oh my goodness, I have duct tape everywhere on me. It's just sticking on everything. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. That's the snow. Oof. That looks so cute. Oh my god, I would die. I am dying. Okay, let's look up some cute things that we can write. And I don't even know how we're gonna write. Actually, I think I might just put like a sliver of white and just like write it on that. Ugly sweaters. Sweaters. Pole dancer. Let's get baked. Ooh, no. Family friendly here. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Oh my god. Snowballs deep. Oh my god. These are, oh my god. These are all, oh. Mistletoed. It says this tree isn't the only thing getting lit this year. Me. Oh, oh, dabbing Christmas tree. What is this? There you go. See, look at it. Look at that. See, there it says dabbing around the Christmas tree. I'm gonna use that. Okay, so we're gonna change it. Instead of posing like this, we're gonna do dabbing around the Christmas tree because that's cute. Okay. So that's the finished product. Now let's hope it doesn't get destroyed when I put it on. The balls are probably gonna fall out, but it's okay because it's like, you can like put it back on. Okay. Okay, well this is it on. Honestly, it's not that ugly, but whatever, it doesn't matter. There you go. So let's go get the reaction of my sister. Ew. How does it look? Is it like, do you like the caption?
Dabbing around a Christmas tree.
Both of them are dabbing. All right, well, I kind of did something while you guys were gone. I did it in a new sweater because I didn't like the way the pink looked and I thought the red just looked better. Also, I added this little guy. You see him? Cute or whatever, I know. And yeah, so I think this is the final look. I think this is the best it's gonna get. Honestly, The snowballs are kind of falling apart, but it's okay. It's fine, whatever. So go like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow we're gonna have a big day. So yeah, y'all better watch out.